Hi everybody. I have mixed up 3 colors. White with nothing but Liquitex pouring medium in it. A deep purple that I made using cobalt blue and magenta. And I lightened it a little bit to make kind of a lavender color, but it's not light enough to be lavender. It's like a light purple. Liquitex pouring medium in all of them and in this, and I have thinned this out. I want to use it as a base coat. I'm going to try one of Fiona's dips, and I'm going to try with colors that my daughter had sent me a picture of that she wanted. So we will see how this goes. I have no idea. I may have this base coat way too thin. I'm pouring over one that was a big disappointment. I'm going to try to spread that out. With my drywall thing that I have used multiple times and not washed well. Wow, I really thinned this stuff down, but it's really moving good. I gotta learn how to use this Liquitex pouring medium. It's rather pricey. I may be mixing too much of it into my paints. I'll have to see, get some advice from some people. See what they say about it. Now the paint that I'm going to put on top of this is kind of thick. And it's thick for a reason, even though I'm going to try one of Fiona's, where she pulls the paper towel up. I'm going to do it thick because of the way I want this painting to turn out. So this is a big time experiment because I've never done one of Fiona's, and because I'm going thicker than she probably ever would. So, and I'm going to go in with purple, which is the same color as my base coat. And I'm doing that for a reason too. So, this is super thick. Maybe way too thick. But I just want to see what it will do. I have way more, I think, in this puddle than I do in the others. Let me fatten them up a little bit. I love experimenting. I should have had a career in science. I loved science in school. Had a great teacher too, so that was a big help. And when I pull this paper towel up, I'm going to twist it a little bit on purpose and see what happens. May have gotten too big a gap there, but I don't want 6 petals. I want 5 petals. So we'll see. This is not quite as thick as the others. Y'all wish me luck. Look at all that big blob of white. I knew I had more paint on that one. Try to even them out a little bit. I don't want to play around with it too long. It's going to spread out. So I think she sprays her paper towel. Don't think I have that wet enough. Oh me, I hope I didn't get it too wet. I don't know anything about this. This is all new and exciting. I need longer fingers. Maybe I should just lay it like this. Probably should have put some white right in the middle. Did not think of that. And some of that thick. Ooh, I got water bubbling up. Too much water, Wanda. Too many variables here. Oh well. It's all fun. Got that paint too thin. Too much of it. Pretty, but not what I was going for, and too much water in the middle. If it had all been like that, I would have been over the moon. Suck up some water. Oops, made a big hole in the middle. So my base paint was really thin, which it probably should have been thicker. Doggone it, I just didn't put in enough white, I don't think. I missed the middle of that petal. Try this again. A little narrower piece. A lot less water. We'll see how this works, or doesn't. Almost. 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 Let's see if I can tilt it. Nope, that's not going to be good. This is wonky. You know me, if I don't like it, gotta try to fix it. Gotta try to fix it. Big mess up there. Paper towel's too heavy. Still have some of that thin I can go around. Could be worse. I've still got more purple, so I can still mix up some more thin to go around the edges. Got into the edge of that. My belly growled. Well, I wish it were bigger, but I'm not going to mess with it. I am going to pop some bubbles, fix my sides, and see what happens. See how it dries. So, I will do a little close-up for you in just a minute. Thank you. Thanks for watching, bearing with me. I know you can't see it. Let me... It's pretty. Just not enough. Too much white, not enough purple, actually, is what it is. I wish I could find that reference photo that she sent me, but I can't find it. But the one that she sent me was like coming in from the sides really big, and it had just lighter purple and then white, and it was just a strip of white. It was just so gorgeous. So let me pop some bubbles, see if some little cells come up, and I will show you how it looks in a close-up. So thanks for watching. Thanks, everybody. Okay, so my design is too small, but actually the way it looks is very pretty. That's a reflection up there, so let me tilt the phone. But the way it turned out is really pretty. So I'm just aggravated that it's as small as it is, but I don't want to scrape all this paint off after mixing Liquitex pouring medium into it. So I think I'm just going to leave it, see if it's anything Candy likes, and if she does, then she can have it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully it'll dry pretty. So thanks again.